And we're now getting some more breaking news. Lalu Yadav has appeared before the Rouse Avenue Court in the national capital in the Land for Jobs scam. But we're now showing you two visuals. So earlier today, Lalu Yadav was seen going for a morning walk. The visuals on your left show that he's doing morning walk. But on the right, when he appeared at the Rouse Avenue Court, he was seen on a wheelchair. So on the left, he was seen walking earlier in the morning, and on the right, you can see that he was on a wheelchair while appearing for the Land for Job scam hearing today at the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. So from fit to feeble in just 2 hours. Earlier today, he was seen walking, but when he appeared at the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi, he was seen on a wheelchair. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is with us with more details on this. Shreya, two contrasting visuals that we're showing our viewers currently. In one of the visuals, Lalu Yadav can be seen comfortably walking, which is from earlier today. And we saw when he appeared at the Rouse Avenue Court today, he was seen on a wheelchair.
Well, absolutely. In a political climate where elections are due, every visual will be scrutinized with detail. And the fact that this was just a matter of few hours from where a person was seen walking in the morning turned into when he appeared for the court hearing, he was seen in a wheelchair. Definitely, that will be a point of discussion for especially the Bharatiya Janata Party. They will most likely not leave any stone unturned because clearly around the entire hearing, we did see that Lalu Prasad Yadav wasn't doing his best when compared to his health. But the visuals that are coming in today, the complete flip from walk to on the wheelchair is something that will definitely be scrutinized. And as we talk, in probably another 4 minutes, we will be seeing the order on the IRCTC corruption case be pronounced by Special Judge Vishal Gogne. It is in that matter that Lalu Prasad Yadav along with his family was summoned. And once that is done, we will see the trial speed up on a day-to-day hearing from today onwards.